Hello, viewers. Shushmita is back with another video. This is a travel video. Last October, we traveled to Prayagraj, the Sangam city. As you could see, we are on a boat and we are just heading towards the Sangam place, Triveni Sangam, where there is confluence of three rivers, Ganga, Jamuna, and Saraswati. But before arriving to our destination, we have been welcomed by some exotic birds. Just see the view. Oof, they were so mesmerizing. The best view we could have ever seen on a boat ride. These birds usually come in November, but this time they arrived early from Siberia, probably to welcome us only.